Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. I am using my February 2021 kit, and I am going to use this sketch that I posted in January that I didn't get a chance to use, and I'm going to use it in February. All right, I'm going to show you the products that I pulled out from my kit that I put together. And if you haven't seen my kit reveal for Mini Kit Monday, then go back to the February 1st post. So this is my sketch, and it is from Allison Davis. Here are 3 photographs that I am going to document of my niece and her fiance. And yes, this calls for 3 4x6 and then 1 here that's 2 by 3/4. And you don't have to go by the exact measurements. You don't have to do 3 photos across and 1 in here. And I'm really not sure what direction I'm going with the photographs. If I'm going to go with 3 across, I can tell you right now they will not be 4x6 if I do it that way. Or I will go with 2 and then a circle and put something here. I'm not really sure, but I really like this design concept here with all these circles. All right, so there's my 3 photographs, and here are the scrap papers in my stash, this vellum piece in my stash, and I'm going to use this to cut circles. And then I have my 3 full-size pattern paper. I think I am going to let this be my base paper, and this is a wood grain from Close to My Heart. And this one here is from Echo Park, Best Summer Ever. I can use both sides, but I think I'm going to use this side. And then I have the polka dot I can cut out. I am not going to bring that color in on this layout, even though my future, what would he be? If she's my niece, he would be nephew by marriage. Guess that's how it works. But anyway, I'm not going to bring that color in. And then I brought in some punches. So I've got 1 3/4 and 1 1/2. Then I thought I might use my Creative Memory circles and the blades that go with it. And then also from my kit was my bag of goodies of wood veneer, because that is one of our challenges, is to use wood veneer. And then I have the big wood veneer, which I think is going to go perfect with this layout, and I think I will color this up. And then we have rub-ons, we have some more die cuts and some puffy items and some washi strip. And again, the rub-ons, the puffy items were also a challenge for us to use the month of February. So I'm going to pause this video, kind of get an idea where I'm going with this layout, cut out my circles and my strip, and probably map my photographs, and then we will decorate this layout. We will embellish it together, all right? So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and pause you, and I'm going to go to work. All right, I am back with the voiceover portion for the remainder of this video. This was not in my plans, but I had some unexpected company pop in while I was completing this layout, and you could hear their voices in the background, so I decided I better do a voiceover. So as you can see, I am adding a strip of washi tape that is of wonky square blocks, and then I come back and add another washi tape of little black hearts. Next is to apply my Nuva Mousse to the heart wood veneer. My go-to method to do this is to use a baby wipe. I thought I was applying a pink color Nuva Mousse, and it ended up being this gorgeous coral color. So then I thought, ooh, how am I going to correct this? So I decided, well, let's see if it'll work against that pink polka dot pattern paper. It didn't. So then I just kept rubbing and picked up as much as that mousse off the wood veneer. Then I grabbed my Close to My Heart ink pad in Pixie, and that's a pink color, and my finger dauber, and I just went to town applying on top of the mousse onto that wood veneer, and it worked. Now that my design layout isn't ruined because I was able to correct my mistake, I move on and use those circles that I cut off camera using my Close to My Heart circle cutting system, and I start tucking those circles in. So as you can tell, one is a flower pattern paper, one is a solid pink, and the other one is that vellum with the gold heart. I do ink each one of those circles using Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Black Soot. This pink circle that you see me inking up now will be my journaling spot. And as you can tell, I am tucking in my circles underneath that pink circle. Next, I'm going to bring in that washi tape that is of those wonky lines. Then I'm going to start on my title, and the first part of the title is using this acrylic piece that says love. Then I'm going to use this wood veneer arrow with the heart, and I will ink that piece up as well, as you can see right there. I'm going to commit to this washi tape above the photographs, and then I'm going to come back with the rest of my title, which is going to be Love Announcement. Then I'm going to add a cluster over by my wood veneer hearts, and I use puffy stickers from an old Valentine collection. And the first puffy item I add says Be Mine. That's in that black and white. Then I add a black puffy heart, and then an oblong small pink puffy. It looks like a ticket like, and it says Ever After, so it's Be Mine Ever After. So that finishes like a little subtitle right there. Before I forget it, be sure to check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. Their links are listed below and in the description box. And as you can tell, I'm adding my final touch of sprinkles to this layout using Nuva Mica Mist in Rose. This layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and come back and see us. Bye.